Welcome to the chat.officio.work. To get started, you can either sign up with your email and password or use the fastest method. Simply click Continue with Google. Once signed in, you'll be redirected to the main chat screen, ready to begin your first conversation. In the main window, you can change the large language model or pre-built agent you want to use for your current task. Choose from a variety of powerful models to suit your needs. To enhance the model's capabilities, click on the Artifacts menu. Here you can add various tools: web search for real-time information, scraper to extract specific data from a website, data extraction for processing documents, and object detection to analyze images and GUI elements. You can also select a pre-built agent, which is an LLM pre-configured with specific instructions and tools for specialized roles, like an image generator or a business analyst. For even more control, head over to the Agent Builder. Here, you can create your own custom agent by setting its name, behavior instructions, and model parameters. Crucially, you can define its capabilities by adding specific tools or knowledge grounding. The prompt library gives you access to a collection of high-quality, reusable prompts. You can also click plus Create Prompt to add your own, complete with custom text, variables, and categories to build your personal or shared prompt collection. The Memories feature lets the AI recall specific information about you or your projects across conversations. Simply toggle it on, click Create Memory, and enter a key and value for the AI to reference. Under Parameters, you can fine-tune the selected LLM's behavior using settings like temperature for creativity and frequency/presence penalties to control repetition. Other useful sections include attach files to manage documents for your chats and bookmarks to categorize and easily retrieve your favorite conversations. You can create a new bookmark with a title and description. Access your subscription details and settings from the user menu. In Settings, you can switch the theme to dark mode, adjust the language, and manage general chat display options. The chat settings allow fine-grained control over message sending, chat space, and technical rendering. The personalization and data control sections let you manage memories and conversation data, while the Account tab allows profile management. Now for a demonstration of its power, we'll ask it to create a process flow diagram for a user registration system. The AI first lays out the logical steps, then generates a fully interactive flowchart visualization, and finally, when prompted, creates the clean, styled React component code for the login, registration, and booking forms. The code is rendered instantly in the preview panel, showing a fully functional front-end component. We can even test it right here by entering sample credentials. Switching models is easy. Let's select an advanced research model and ask a complex question about strategic AI development. The AI provides a detailed, structured response, complete with numbered references and citations, ensuring the information is verifiable. If you want to explore an idea from a specific point in a conversation without disrupting the main thread, use the fork feature. It creates a new, separate chat starting from that message. We can now ask a follow-up question here, like explaining the vision and governance section further. Finally, to share your work, use the Share button to generate a private link to your chat. Or use the export function to save the entire conversation as a screenshot, HTML, PDF, or other formats for external use.